Today, I'll show you how to add a cool blinking eyes transition to your videos. This effect creates a smooth eye blinking motion between clips, making your edits more dynamic. Let's get started. First, import your video clips and place them side by side on the timeline. Now, head over to the transitions panel and search for eyes. You'll see the blink eyes transition. This is the effect that creates the eye opening and closing motion. Drag and drop the transition between your two clips. By default, Filmora sets a standard duration, but you can adjust it by dragging the edges of the transition on the timeline. For more precise control, select the transition and use the right side editing panel to tweak the duration. You'll also find different transition modes like Prefix, Overlap, and Postfix. Experiment with these options to see which one works best for your edit. You can also enable the Include Trimmed Frames option to make the transition even smoother. And that's it. You've successfully added a blinking eyes transition in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips